Hello friends, welcome back to Technique. Today we'll be doing the battery drain test of the new Moto Edge 50 Fusion. So we have the Moto Edge 50 Fusion with us. So let's just go to the settings. So about device. So you can see here Moto Edge 50 Fusion 5G, and we have battery percentage as 100%. So we'll be doing the battery drain test right now. So we are just disconnected with from the charger and 100% battery right now, and we have inserted the SIM card on this device. So we'll be using this device with the Wi-Fi as well as 5G network to get a mixed usage of the battery. So let's get started with the battery drain test of the Moto Edge 50 Fusion 5G. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So we started off the battery drain test of the Moto Edge 50 Fusion with Instagram usage. So we played Instagram Reels. So Instagram is definitely one of the popular apps, social media apps. So we played it for like 2 hours. Now we have done 2 different tests here. One is with Wi-Fi. So the first hour of Instagram usage is with Wi-Fi usage, and the second hour is with 5G network. So at the end of the first hour, the battery percentage on Wi-Fi network was around 94%. So we continued using Instagram on 5G network to see how different it is. So the second hour on Instagram was using the 5G network. Now after the second hour, you can see that the battery percentage is at 89%. Now we went on to YouTube and started streaming 4K videos. Again, first hour was with Wi-Fi connection, and the second hour we went on with the 5G network. So 2 hours of YouTube streaming, and at the end of the first hour, the hour 3, the battery percentage came down to around 79%. So that was the battery percentage on YouTube with Wi-Fi streaming. And next we went with 5G network streaming, again YouTube, and at the end of the fourth hour, 4 hours, the battery percentage was at 71%. So 2 hours of Instagram, one with Wi-Fi and other with 5G. Again 2 hours of YouTube, 1 hour with 5G and second hour with Wi-Fi network. Next we went on to camera recording. Now cameras are used extensively by most of the users, so recording a 4K video is the next process. So again we recorded a camera recording for around 2 hours. It's not continuous 2 hours. After a break we took again for camera recording. So after the first hour of camera recording, it was around 53% of the battery. So you can see here 53%. The fifth hour is completed now, that is 53%. So we continued on with recording for another 1 hour, and at the end of 6 hours the battery percentage was 31. Now we went to the gaming. Now this is one thing where a lot of users do gaming. So we played 2 games. The first game was Asphalt 9. So it's a relatively easier game, and we played for around 20 minutes or so. So again this was played at the maximum graphics setting. Next we moved on to PUBG Mobile or BGMI. Again this was played in the highest possible resolution available, and we played all the Reels, YouTube video, everything in 144 refresh rate. It was the highest refresh rate available, so we played in the highest refresh rate. Again we continued with PUBG Mobile or BGMI for another 45 minutes. So in total we played BGMI for around close to 1 hour 10 minutes. So that's the time it took. So we played approximately around 1 hour of BGMI, and at the end of BGMI 7.5 hours was completed and the battery was 14%. We moved on to Facebook. So Facebook videos are one thing which we watch a lot. So we went on to social media app Facebook, and then we watched some videos on Facebook. Then we moved on to Twitter, again a really popular social media app. So we did watch some videos, we browsed some posts, and then after the end of Twitter usage we had completed 8 hours. Now 8 hours completed and the battery percentage was around 7%. So we are almost at the end of the battery cycle, only 7% battery remaining. We continued with Instagram Reels, and then finally we went to the benchmarking app, the Geekbench app, to complete the battery cycle. So it went on for some time. It didn't complete the battery drain test, and by 8 hours, approximately around 8 hours 42 minutes, the battery actually died down, and you can see that the final reading is 8 hours and 42 minutes. that's the time it took to drain the battery. So 8 hours 42 minutes is the time taken to drain out the battery on the Moto Edge 50 Fusion 5G. Now a couple of things to tell. This is 144 Hz refresh rate, that's a refresh rate we have said. The brightness is around 50 to 60% approximately, and then we did the complete test in 8 hours 42 minutes, approximately around 3.5 hours or 3 hours 20 minutes approximately. That time was on 5G network, rest was on Wi-Fi network. So 8 hours 42 minutes is what we could achieve on the Moto Edge 50 Fusion 5G. So it's quite a good time, I would say, for this price segment. And 8 hours 42 minutes, again, this depends upon person to person. Some people might get lesser time because of the usage, some people might get more time because their usage is less and heavier apps are not used. So again, it depends. This is an approximate test to give you an idea about how long the battery would last. And we have already done our relative battery drain test of other devices in this price segment, so you can check out that. So that was the battery drain test. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.